हेलो दोस्तों, यूएच एजुकेशन नानोल में आपका स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम डीबीएमएस के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो आने वाले एचटेट और यूजीसी नेट परीक्षाओं के लिए उपयोगी साबित होंगे। तो बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन: द डेटाबेस एनवायरनमेंट हैज़ ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट्स एक्सेप्ट ए यूजर्स, बी सेपरेट फाइल्स, सी डेटाबेस, डी डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, यूजर्स। Next question. The language which has recently become the de facto standard for interfacing application programs with relational database system is A. Oracle, B. SQL, C. DBase, D. 4GL. Correct answer is option B. SQL. Next question. The way a particular application views the data from the database that application uses is A. Modula, B. Relational model, C. Schema, D. Subschema. Correct answer is option D. Subschema. Next question. In an ER diagram, an entity set is represented by A. Rectangle, B. Ellipse, C. Diamond box, D. Circle. Correct answer is option A. Rectangle. Next question. A report generator is used to A. Update file, B. Print files on paper, C. Data entry, D. Delete files. Correct answer is option B. Print files on paper. Next question. The property or properties of a database is or are A. It is an integrated collection of logically related records. B. It consolidates separate files into a common pool of data records. C. Data stored in a database is independent of the application programs using it. D. All of above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. The database language component which can be embedded in a program is A. The data definition language, B. The data manipulation language, C. The database administrator, D. A query language. Correct answer is option B. The data manipulation language. Next question. A relational database developer refers to a record as A. A criteria, B. A relation, C. A tuple, D. An attribute. Correct answer is option C. A tuple. Next question. The relational model feature is that there, option A, is no need for primary key data. C, is much more data independence that some other database models. C, are explicit relationships among records. D, are tables with many dimensions. Correct answer is option B, is much more data independence than some of other database models. Next question. Conceptual design. Option A is a documentation technique. B needs data volume and processing frequencies to determine the size of the database. C involves modeling independent of the DBMS. D is designing the relational model. Correct answer is option C, involves modeling independent of the DBMS. Next question. The method in which records are physically stored in a specific order according to a key field in each record is A. Hash, B. Direct, C. Sequential, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option A. A method in which records are physically stored in a specific ordering according to a key field in each record is hash. Next question. A subschema expresses A. The logical view, B. The physical view, C. The external view, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option C. The external view. Next question. Count function in SQL returns the number of A. Values, B. Distinct values, C. Groups, D. Columns. Correct answer is A. Values. Next question. Which of the following statement is false? A. The data dictionary is normally maintained by the database administrator. B. Data elements in the database can be modified by changing the data dictionary. C. The data dictionary contains the name and description of each data element. D. The data dictionary is a tool used exclusively by the database administrator. Correct answer is option B. Next question. An advantage of the database management approach is A. Data is independent on sorry data is dependent on programs. B. Data redundancy increases. C. Data is integrated and can be accessed by multiple programs. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Next question. A DBMS query language is designed to option A. Support end users who use English-like commands. Support in the development of complex application software. C. Specify the structure of the database. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Transaction processing is associated with everything below except A. Producing detailed summary or exception reports. B. Recording a business activity. C. Confirming an action or triggering a response. D. Maintaining data. Correct answer is C. Next question. It is possible to define a schema completely using A. VDL and DDL. B. DDL and DML. C. SDL and DDL. D. VDL and DML. Correct answer is option B. DDL and DML. Next question. The method to access which uses key transformation is known as A. Direct. B. Hash. C. Random. D. Sequential. Correct answer is option B. Hash. Next question. The data independence means option A. Data is defined separately and not included in the programs. B. Programs are not dependent on the physical attributes of data. C. Programs are not dependent on the logical attributes of data. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is option D. Both B and C. Next question. The statement is in SQL which allows to change the definition of a table is A. Alter. B. Update. C. Create. D. Select. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए अल्टर। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में इतना ही, बाकी क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पूरे करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग इट।